Hello everyone and welcome back to the tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Greeble with a model which we have downloaded from MapRoom in the earlier video. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm already in a viewport where I have a Melbourne city as in my viewport, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set everything in a plane from standard primitives, and I'm gonna give it a blue color. And also what I'm gonna do is I'm going to delete the few layers. Okay, I'll just off the layer first instead of deleting. And yeah, so further I'm gonna give create a surface for Greeble, which will be easy for us to create a Greeble around the Melbourne city. And yeah, also I'll keep some space between the original MapRoom surface and the Greeble surface. Now I'm gonna select each of these layers with pressing the control button. I'm going to give it the same color. Alright, this is how it looks. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and modify list and type Greeble. Okay, so you can see that there are buildings around the model here, but the height is too much. So what we need to do is the minimum height should be 0 for now, and let's take everything out. Let's see if we can do it in minus. Okay, no, we can't do anything in minus. Alright, so this is how Greeble works. It's very cool for the rendering softwares. If you have high-rise buildings on your model, it will be very nice if you give a Greeble effect for your view. Okay, alright, hope you like the video, and yeah, we end the tutorials here. Thank you for watching. See ya.